feeling great. Everybody's in good spirits. We're happy to be out here to help the community in local Fairfield, Connecticut. So far, we've been building scaffolding. We started bringing walls up to the second level of the house over here. Volunteering means a lot. I never, as I was younger, got in to get into the community and help build the community. So now Penske has helped me help the community locally, and it's been great.
It's meaningful because as you get older, you realize it's helpful, and it builds just some value in your later years and what you're doing for everybody. It's a nice feeling. It's a nice feeling, and you're helping people.
It's definitely a great feeling to work and give back to the community that we live in. We spend most of our time here in the Fairfield County area, and so it's nice to give back to the less fortunate and those in need in our community.
So today we had to help build a scaffold to put the second floor of the house up, and on the other side we were putting up the siding for the second portion of the house that has to go up over there. Just nice to give back to the community.
I mean, it's fun. I feel like we're giving it back in multiple ways. I mean, this is just the least part of it. We're making many more families happy, and not too many people get the chance or the opportunity to do this. So I'm very glad that I'll be able to contribute.
Good, feels great to give back to the community, help out people in need, and I'm always up to lend a helping hand, and it's great, honestly.
Participating in this event makes me feel fantastic. It's nice knowing that we're going to be able to make an impact on somebody else's life and give them a home that they can share with their families.